Jose from Gets Golf here, and today I'd like to take you on a journey here down at Randpark Golf Club's driving range, where there's something quite special that I'm dying to show you all. I mean, not to mention that it is quite something already, being 2 tiers, weather resistant, an ample amount of targets to choose from. Every single bay even has 46 little color-coded displays on the side of them to see what distance each of the color-coded targets actually are. And to cap it all off, there are 46 bays to choose from. So if you're worried about space, don't stress about that. There's ample amount of that as well. But let me cut to the chase and let me show you what I'm so excited about today. Yeah, we have something called Inrange. Now most of you are wondering, what is Inrange? And that's why I'm here with you guys today. And that's for me to deep dive with you into the world of Inrange, where it transforms practice into play. Now, the Inrange system provides all of the people with a range handicap. And that is based off of a person's individual skill set and performance in regards to dispersion to a specific target that you choose on the range, or how an individual performs in the challenges set up by the system. Now, there are 2 types of in-range options that we provide, and that is the standard in-range and the in-range plus. The standard in-range allows players to zone into certain distances through tee and target mode. Now, with your handicap that's been calculated from in-range, virtual greens are placed to a specific target that you choose. And if the handicap is higher, the green would be increased in diameter, and vice versa. If the handicap is lower, that green will start to shrink. Same goes for the tee mode, where we're hitting driver. With a high handicap, the fairway's starting point would be moved closer towards a person with a high handicap, and the fairway's width would be made wider. And for a lower handicap, there will be a little bit further and a narrower fairway. With the help of AI with Inrange system, we could actually change the ball setting to premium ball. That will show us how far the ball will actually go if it was on a normal golf course. Just as if you're playing with one of your favorite provies that you pulled out of your pocket. It's crazy, right? That's amazing. Now, if you don't find yourself being able to hit with a bay that has one of our monitors, don't stress at all. There's an Inrange app that you can download, and that app can be used and utilized by all 46 bays. There are also 3 challenges that the Inrange standard package offers, namely longest drive, shrinking targets, and nearest to the pin. So whether you'd like to tee it up high and let it fly, playing long drive with a virtual stadium around you, playing against Carl Berkshire for long drive championships, or if you want to test your nerve and skills with shrinking targets and nearest to the pin, Inrange has it all. Now, secondly, we have the Inrange Plus option, and unlike the standard Inrange, the Inrange Plus allows 4 people to join in on the fun on one monitor. Another great advantage of the Inrange Plus system is that you could actually play a virtual golf course on the range. Courses like Bethpage Black, Whistling Straits, Par 3 Showcase, and many more to choose from, which is perfect for a quick lunch break from the office. You can come get a quick 18 holes in. Other challenges and games that the Inrange Plus system offers is Destroyer. Now, Destroyer is where you try and make as much damage on a post-apocalyptic playing field with the weapon of your choice. They also have Shrinking Targets, Bullseye. Now, Bullseye is where all of the targets are blown up like huge balloons, and your goal is to try and make more points than your competitors. They also have Longest Drive. And if the casino isn't giving any luck, come try it out here by the range with your golfing game and play 21. And 21 is the golfing blackjack. So how cool was that? How technology is taking a range session to a whole new level, where you could actually come out and play a virtual round of golf on the driving range. I mean, that is completely crazy. And why not cap it off with a nice cool down and go around our 9-hole putting course, where it has its own fairways, greens, bunkers, and water hazards, where you can test your green reading and pace control with the course's layouts and slope. So please make sure next time that you book a range session, you want to come down and have some leisure time, come down to Randpark Golf Club and enjoy the in-range experience.